Hello, this is my doctor, and we have one more smartwatch. It's the Haylou RT2 that came to me for iPhone.com, and today we're going to review it and see how good it is and its functions. So let's open up the box that came to me to see what's inside it. So let's open up the box. Haylou RT2 is a smartwatch that came to me without any problems with customs. Uh, it is also mentioned as LS10, so it's RT2 or LS10. It features 12 workout modes. You can find here this IP68 waterproof. This means that it is social waterproof, not for swimming or taking a bath. It's only if you wash your hands, it's raining, this thing only. Heart rate monitoring, 24/7. Saturation, it tracks 12 days battery with normal use. With basic use, the battery is up to 20 days. Sleep monitoring, and like we said, it has 12 workout modes. Uh, Saturation, RT2. So let's open up and see what's inside it. So this is a watch with a sticker. As you can see here, it says Haylou. Let's remove the sticker. Looks very nice. The smartwatch is it has dimensions 45.7 to 45.7 to 12.1 millimeters. It weighs with the strap 55 grams. The display is TFT 1.32 inch with a resolution of 360 to 360. It connects with Bluetooth 5. The battery reset is 12 or 20 days. And the sensors is heart rate sensor, motion sensor, and blood oxygen. Now this is for charging, and this is the sensors. It has a touch screen with two coronas here. Let's see what else has inside the box. The manual, let's read the manual in English, Chinese, and other languages. This is the charging, typical magnetic. As you can see here. And something else, nothing else. So Let's power up the smartwatch. Haylou. Now I have already downloaded the app, the Haylou Fan app. This is the app, so we're going to run it and use this. In order to connect my mobile with the smartwatch. Connected. 1731. 1731 with a moving watch face from what I see. Dial settings. From here we change the dial. Let's use something else. To see that it changes, synchronizing. So it transfers the watch face from my mobile to the smartwatch, the LS10. Ready. Now let's see what else we have here. So we have settings. This is the lighting. Let's put it full lighting. This is sets the mobile. As you can see here, it rings. Settings, brightness, about, power off, reset. Let's see about. This is the version. %, that is the battery, date, time, and day. Statistics, blood, this is heartbeat, saturation, sports, 12 modes we set, exercise record, weather, sleep, notification, music control, more, and settings. Settings we have already seen. More, stopwatch, countdown, find phone, and breath training. Let's see the weather. This is the weather today. Sports, sport, jogging, fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running. 12. Now I must wear it, so I'm going to wear it. And apart from that, let's see in the app. So health monitoring, heart rate sensor, method notice, worst, first page sorting, do not disturb, alarm clock, 7-day incoming call notice. Let's activate it. Duration on screen, 50 seconds. Time format, weather synchronization, This is the weather that we have already seen. So I'm going to wear it and continue with testing. So I'm wearing here the smartwatch, the LS10. Let's see the heartbeat, how much it says, and of course, as always, I'm going to test it with my oximeter. For sure it's not 54, it's 100. Right, so 59. Huh. It must be set to auto from the app. So it's 100, 106 it says here, 101 is not 102. So 98, 99, they have synchronized. This is good. Now at the same time I'm setting up the app in order to have various notifications. Uh, so the heartbeat is okay. Let's see now saturation. 98, this is my oximeter. Let's see what LS10 is going to say. 97. The heartbeat is correct. 98, 98, 99. From what I see, it takes some time in order to measure it. So it says 99%, 97. Well, it's not bad. Usually it says less, 98, 99. So I'm going to accept the number that LS10 is saying. So we have the heartbeat and the saturation. It's really it's similar, 99 now. 99, so we are there, not bad. So I have shown you about the and it's a 4th week. This is a notification for the weather. notifications are coming one after the other because I activated from the app here to have incoming notifications for everything. You can check what you can have as a notification. It has here a really big list. To be exact, all my apps are activated to notify me. So with one click, you can activate all apps or not to have incoming notifications. So saturation is correct. The heartbeat is correct. So let's see now if the incoming calls are also supported and what exactly it shows to us. So I'm leaving this here. It shows the name of your contact that is calling you, very good, and it supports other languages than English, as you saw it was saying English home. So I really like the design. It looks very luxurious, I have to say. Despite the fact that it's a TFT screen, it looks very nice. These bezels, these thick bezels, I would prefer them, to be honest, a little bit to be less. It will show much better. With this, you enter, you activate the screen and you enter the main menu. And with this, you go directly to the sports modes. It has all basic functions. The battery 12 days is a good number from what the company says, so I expect to be at least a week and more with the daily use. Be only careful that it's not completely waterproof, it's social waterproof, so you cannot take a shower or swim with it. Other than that, the strap is from silicone, looks very nice. It has the ability to notify you if you are sitting for a long time, for the apps that you have notifications from your mobile, and all this can be set from the app. So, nice watch. You can find it at about $40 from the Haylou site. You can get it for $48, which for this kind of characteristics is a very good price, I have to say. Now, I hope you liked my video and you have pressed like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is my doctor. Bye.